Alright guys, welcome back to the first update on Tropical Storm 07A, which is actually formed in the Arabian Sea. Yes, the remnants of Mandus actually have reformed in the Arabian Sea and have became this. IMD have not yet named it. IMD are currently going with maximum sustained winds of around 30 miles per hour, but currently it's definitely deserving of tropical storm force winds. That's likely why the JTWC have now given it the numerical thing, which is 07A, since of course there's been 7 storms around the Indian Ocean. 07A is the 7th one. Currently with maximum sustained winds officially by the JTWC's latest bulletin of 40 miles per hour, that is 35 knots, gusting with winds of 50 miles per hour. A pressure of 1006 millibars is moving west at 10 miles per hour, as the latest update brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So take a look at the estimates here. ATCF 40 miles per hour, JTWC also 40 miles per hour, and the Curtis Simplified analysis coming in at 50 miles per hour, but keep in mind this is very conservative at this time due to there being no satellite imagery that can actually be in like loops and stuff like that, so I can only see images, so it is very conservative, but it looks like it's pretty decent convection over the center, but keep in mind probably go for with the officials for now. Take a look at the official JTWC forecast cone, and we can see currently they have it with maximum sustained winds of 35 knots and gusting up to 45 knots, and they are going to keep that intensity, actually growing the wind field a little bit there, you can see, before very rapid weakening due to a very high wind shear environment that the storm is going to be in within probably the next 24 hours or so. It's not going to be a very long lasting storm. We'll see if it gets named. I highly doubt it ever will. But we will see if this storm gets named. And yeah, if it does get named, we've had 2 named storms in very quick time. But yeah, I guess we'll see. Take a look at the GFS ensembles for the tracks here. We can see extremely certain tracks according to the GFS side of things. You can see, take this very well, since this is going to be very accurate. It looks like the GFS track is. You can see not much uncertainty whatsoever. It's just going to be heading towards Somalia at the end. Maybe bring some light showers, or that would even be a system you can trace by them. Take a look at the visible imagery. This is also with the tropical cyclone forecast track overlaid, and we can see where the storm's going to be tracking. Now, you can see currently moving west, and it is going to be quickly dying off, it looks like. But yeah, pretty decent convection. Do not get me started on Meteosat though. It's awful satellite, just to be completely honest. Very low graphics, but yeah, currently pretty decent convection. That's why I've really given it the 50 mile per hour storm. JTWC 40 miles per hour. I'd say that is completely fair at this stage. It is very hard to see what the intensity is due to the satellite. But yeah, 40 miles per hour officially, 50 from me, so somewhere in between now the winds are going to be, but this isn't a threat to land whatsoever. Maybe some fishing operations will have to be stopped due to this storm system. It now has, of course, tropical storm force winds and high gusts of 50 miles per hour. Those 50 mile per hour wind gusts are extending quite a bit in the storm, maybe in that big convection blob, but yeah, never going to be a threat to land. Here's the water vapor imagery though, just showing you the water vapor imagery, and yeah, you can see pretty good moisture content in the storm, getting into those very light blues, which is very heavy moisture content and very heavy thunderstorms. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Storm 07A. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.